RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat joined the Sangh Khasi for a prayer at the Sanctum Sanctorum of the sacred peak Lum Sohpetbneng, navel of the universe, for the well-being, growth and prosperity of Kamei Re-India Bharat Mata and all her citizens. The prayer was offered by the head priest of Sangh Khasi, Skor Jala, and culminated in rituals unique to the indigenous faith, Niyam Khasi. Along with Sar Sangcharak Bhagwat, president of Sangh Khasi Khmer and the Doloi of Jawai, took part. Meanwhile, reacting to his earlier statement of all Indians are Hindu, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that India is a secular nation, and as a secular nation, everyone has right to follow whichever religion they feel. He said that the comments of the RSS chief was made in his capacity as the head of the organization, and those are his views.